Yesterday, I was just scrolling on YouTube until one of MrBeast videos comes up. As you all know, MrBeast channel has the most amount of subscribers, so he makes a lot of money from his videos, sponsorships and branding. So I become curious as a programmer and I search to see how does the strongest YouTube channel website looks like. Because when I search, as you can see, he has multiple websites. The first one is MrBeast Jobs, which is for their hiring purposes. Then he has a website for his merch, MrBeast Burger, social media, Beast Games, and finally MrBeast official YouTube channel. But when I checked his website, you tell me why they are so
ugly.
Imagine you were in his shoes. Did you believe are these called practical websites? So I think the time's come to show Jimmy what we can create for him. So I started the design as always. I searched for his brands and channels to make a website that all of his brands, channel, activity and projects connect to each other, that all people can see them easily. Then I gather a basic list of sections that we need to create. Then I started designing them on my mind, and then I implement them on graphic apps to have a whole idea about what I want to do. So for the first sections, I wanted to do the routine start of every website. I mean creating the navbar section at first to show different pages for quick access. Then I made the hero section, which is the most important sections to hook users because this is the first section they see. And this is the result. I tried using the original blue theme of MrBeast logo with a combo color like pink. For the next sections, because we are going to compete with MrBeast's own websites, I wanted to implement more advanced and creative sections. That's why I started with iconic moment slider, which shows a collection of MrBeast videos, highlights in short. Then I have a section for who exactly is MrBeast, because maybe most of his viewers don't know even his real name, which is Jimmy Donaldson. So that's why I implement these sections and a quick introduction about him and the things he did on his career. Then we have a section that shows his main YouTube channel information, such as his subscribers, total views, trees planted, and donations. And these are the things that we implement till here in the second day. Well, I think till now we had a good progress, but for the next sections, we need to be a little bit more serious. And that's why for the next day, I've implemented this new section, which is 6 cards that shows the newest videos of MrBeast channel. Also, you can click on this button and see his own website. Also, in the next section, we have Beast Philanthropy, which shows the progress of Team Trees, Team Seas, and Food Bank, which are the MrBeast Philanthropy to help the environment and global warming. Also, in the next section, we have Meet the Boys that shows the members of MrBeast team. And by clicking on their social medias, you can see them and follow them. And also in the last section of today's progress, I implement the Join the Crew, which by clicking on this button, you will redirect to MrBeast job website and you can apply for the opening positions. And by clicking on Apply Now, you can quick access to the opening positions and test yourself, can you become a MrBeast team member or not. And these are the sections we implement till here. For today, I thought I can implement more sections that relates to MrBeast, like his merch, community, collaborations, and things he did on these 10 years of his YouTube career. So that's why I implement the next section for shop merch, which when you want to buy something, it will redirect you to the MrBeast store. Then we have the section for hydrate, like a Beast, that is his collaboration with Jake Paul and KSI Prime. Then we have section for his community, which you can follow and subscribe him on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Discord. Then we have MrBeast mega projects that we spoke about earlier in previous sections, like mega projects like Team Trees, Team Seas, and Beast Philanthropy. Also, I added join section that you can create account here with your name and location. And by writing your information and create an account, you can register yourself on the website. So for the last sections of MrBeast website, I was thinking for a whole day until I see his new videos about 100 pilots competing for a private jet, and I see that he's going to drop the new season of Beast Games. So this is how it's look on the Beast Games section gaming platform, and you can join to his website for the new information about Beast Games Season 2. And for the next section, I just see his new video on MrBeast 2 about his own theme park on Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And I also created a section for that, and you can get updated from a website that give information about the Beastland and how to buy ticket, the location, when to visit, and all these things. Then after these two sections, I created the contact us that you can contact with MrBeast by writing your name, email, and your business and your message, and click on the send message. It is sent for MrBeast, but honestly the section is better and no one is behind it to answer them. But before writing your information, you need to authorize yourself on the website. Then we have the section for Team Water. As you all know, the new MrBeast project with big YouTubers. It's information, images. You can donate water or join to Team Water to promote it. Then I have a section for myself that how I create this website in these 5 days. And yeah, if you are coming from the website and clicking on this button, hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video and watching it till end. Then we have a section for myself again, that what things I can create, like a leaderboard system for this website, fan challenges, donation trackers, interactive maps, mini games, and AI rewards. That if you enjoy from this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch the previous videos, because these are actually the things I create on this channel. Also, I have a section for join to the community that you can register now on MrBeast website. And finally, the footer of the website that gives some quick access to some information and pages of the website. So now that everything is done, let's see a time lapse from all of the website. So this was about it. I hope you enjoyed from the MrBeast website. If you have any other ideas to implement for his website, tell me. And if you enjoyed from this video, make sure to like it. So I'll take it under production mode so everyone can use it. And I'll try to send it for MrBeast as well. So don't forget to like the video to see the next part soon. There is nothing more to say. Thanks for watching this video. Until another video. Bye bye.